So so it's going to be my third parcel from Shein. I've got packet from Shein again. So I'm not really sure if I'm gonna add all these clips in one video or I'm gonna make a separate video. I'm not really sure about it, but today I want to show you something yeah, something suitable from Shein, and let's begin. Okay, my hair doesn't look that nice today. So I actually went shopping today to Sainsbury, and then I went with my girlfriend to Aloe. So I also bought some stuff from there. So I'm not gonna show that because it's like grocery stuff. When did I order? I ordered like 2 weeks back. Not two, I think it's been 10 days. So yay. Let me show you what I got from TEMU. Few things. So this is like a jewelry organizer. So since you guys know I moved to a different country, I need all of this. I used to have all of this back in Delhi, but now I don't have it, so I need to buy these type of boxes. So yeah, this is what I've bought. So you guys, this is how the box looks like after I put the stuff in here. The first drawer is all about necklaces. The second and the third is for my earrings. Actually, I bought this container for earrings, but I've got a new stand for earrings that I'll show you in my next video. So yeah, this is how the box looks like, and yeah. And then I got my eyelashes. Come on, you guys, how can I not buy eyelashes? Oh, this is what it looks like. Can you see? Let me show you properly. They're nice, right? Oh, I love it. That's box number 1. This is box number 2. I don't like eyelashes always. Sometimes you don't get good products, so your money goes waste. But mostly you get nice eyelashes. I've got 2 boxes already which are not really nice and I don't use it. This, I don't know. I'll let you know while I make makeup videos. So the next is this one, and this absolutely looks really horrendous. I don't know. I don't like it. It looks really nice on the video, but in real life, the band is like really thick, and the quality is not that nice. But I don't know. You can cut them up if you like. So yeah, I did not like any of the lashes I bought this time, and I did a lot of. I think I really like this one. This one is nice, and these two are like really bad. And yeah. Oh, there's one more pair of eyelashes. Oh, I did order 5. Oh, this one I like. Let me show you. This one I like. I mean, this is good for my work. We are not allowed to put fake lashes. But I still do put because a lot of other nurses put. That's why I'm not the only one. So yeah, I like putting in eyelashes. So they're nice, okay? So, and I don't really like to reuse my eyelashes a lot. I do reuse, just not more than 3 to 4 times maximum. So yeah, so these are like really thick eyelashes, and I love eyelashes like this. Yeah, this is how I look. I don't know, because this lighting is not making my face look nice, but anyways. The next thing I bought is face razors. Facial razor. This is small for your eyebrows and stuff. So yeah, I like it. And this glass, I mean, I really like this. Okay, the next thing about, oh, my phone cover. I got a really pretty phone cover. Oh, it's so heavy. Let me just pick. I really wanted one. Let me show you. I see. So anyway, this is how it looks like. Not that bad, but the phone will look really big. So yeah, this is how it looks like. And I got a necklace. I'm absolutely in love with this necklace. Like, seriously, it's such a nice, lovely necklace. So it looks like. It's beautiful, like really gorgeous necklace. I love it. I'm gonna buy more of this. I'm definitely buying more of this. I love it. I just really like jewelry so much. Yeah, so nice, right? I can't wait for my next sale. I'm gonna buy more. And I'm definitely showing you guys. Okay, this is it. I got one more last thing, and this is a clutch. cheap, kind of like 12 pounds, I guess. I don't remember. So I'll put the price on the screen. So this is how it looks like. It's like a cardboard. You can barely fit anything. Just your phone. You know, it's. I only bought this to go to nightclubs. So yeah, put your phone, a perfume, and like a lipstick, and that's it. I kind of really like purses like this. I have one. I bought this one. It's good quality, not that bad. I got this from Primark, from Blue Water. So this is how it looks like. It's good.
Please, y'all,
But
just
I have
do not buy
this
this purse. It's absolutely useless. I cannot really fit my phone in there. You can barely put things in there, just cards and just one lipstick. That's it. It's absolutely useless. Do not buy that.
That's about it for this video, you guys. I've got one more packet. You know, it's on the way. Things which I ordered from Shein. So yeah, I've got one more packet. I don't think so I'm gonna add that into this video because I'm gonna edit this video tonight, most probably. So yeah, and yeah, things you saw in this clip today is from TEMU. So yeah, Temu is not that bad. Yeah, I mean it's good for like jewelry. From I don't buy clothes from Temu, to be honest, but I don't know because I feel Temu clothes are expensive than Shein, and Shein has better quality clothes. So you can go to Temu for like these type of things, and if you want clothes, go for Shein. So I've got a lot of experience because I've been buying clothes from Shein for last I don't know how many months, and from Temu I've been ordering for so many. I'll put a clip in here. I'll show you my eyelash collections. I forgot one more thing, which I bought from Sainsbury Argos. Okay, so this is how it looks like. This is like my duvet cover. So yeah, I'm not going to open and show you because you will not understand anyways. I will just put it on my bed, arrange it, and take a video, and then put that clip. So yeah, and this was for 14 pounds. I remember that. I know it's not pink, it's not really stylish. I just bought. So this is how the duvet cover looks like with the pillowcase, not pillowcase, with the pillow covers. And yeah, not really attractive to be honest, but it's just a random ones. Since I just moved to the country, I needed all of this. So yeah, like that. I wanted to order from Temu, but then I could not wait, so I bought that. So yeah. Anyways, that's about it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comments down below which product you like the most. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys, and I shall see you soon in my next one. Bye. Love you. Hello you guys, this is another day. I went shopping again and I got some stuff, not a lot, just a little bit. And this is what I wore. This is like my outfit. And I usually take this big bag because in Britain it can rain anytime, so you need your umbrella and other stuff. So I always carry like big gigantic bags like this. So this is my quick outfit. This is how I look. Okay, so my footwear, I usually wear high heels because I love it. I love to look tall. So, and also heels make you look more girly. So yeah, and this is how you look. And I wore this necklace which I got from Temu. And yeah, this is how my makeup looks like. And these are like my new eyelashes. Not that bad. Yeah, and my hair is just like really rough. I just washed, and yeah. So let me quickly show you what I got. So I actually went to buy aloe vera. I bought this from this store. This was for £3. It's like really big aloe vera. I'm gonna put it on my hair, and then it's like, yeah, this is how it looks like. I'm not really sure how you open and do this, but I'm gonna do it anyways. I'm gonna put it on my hair. I'm gonna straighten my hair. So I usually put aloe vera gel, but since that I moved here, I could not buy any aloe vera gel because I wouldn't say England doesn't have aloe vera gel, but it's really expensive, like £6 for a small pack of aloe vera gel, and I'm sure it's not even original. So I've decided to take the original ones, though it's expensive, but it's it's real. So yeah. Okay, there are people. I hope they don't see me film the video. Okay, the next thing is I went to Primark, and there's one more store I went. That's like a charity shop. I went there and I bought this really cute skirt. I really went there to check out like furniture because I'm gonna be moving in like 2 months, and the house we are about to move is going to be like unfurnished. We will not have all this luxury, so that's why I went there to look for the furniture and wanna see the price and all. So, and that's where I found this really cute skirt. I mean, you guys know me that I'm so obsessed with like cute clothes, and I really like to buy clothes a lot. So I decided why not? It's just £1, so it's like no harm. It's like really nice. It has like some little shorts in it. It's really cute. I'm gonna try it out and show you. It's lovely. I hope it fits me. I don't really like the color, but since it's only £1, I bought it. Yeah.
So this is how this skirt looks like. I mean, this is like a skirt. I hope you can see it. So this is how this skirt looks like. I mean, I really like it. The tag says it's from Zara. It's really well made, but the thing is, it is too small for me. I cannot really zip up this skirt. I'm sorry. So it has shorts, if you can see. Look at that. It's nice. So this is how it looks like, but look back. I can't really zip up till the up because this waist is kind of too small. And yeah, otherwise this skirt is nice. I mean, I would wear something like this. And it's only £1, so why not? What do you think? I'm in love with it. I really like nice fancy clothes, you guys. But I'm not really sure what top I'm gonna wear with this because the color is really weird. It's pinkish, greenish. Like, I just don't really feel, I don't know, I don't like this color. Maybe I would wear like a plain white tee. Yeah, I like it. Okay.
The next thing, okay, these are all the stuff in here is from Primark. Oh, I'm saying all of this stuff as if there are so many. Okay. Alright, so this is the first thing which I got from Primark. It looks really cute. I don't people don't see me from videos. People. Okay. So this is how it looks like. Really cute. So I really like. It's so cute. I'm gonna try this out and let you know. And Primark, the good thing about Primark is like they give away the hangers, so I like that.
So this is how this top looks like. Really cute. I really like it. Yeah. Let me show you like this. What do you think of this top? Really cute, right? So yeah.
You know, you don't have to buy extra hangers. So much money waste. The next thing is, and the last thing, I forgot to tell you the price of that sweater. I think. Wait, you can check it out. Oh, it's size small and it's £11. 11, not that bad. And this is Hello. I was looking at this shirt since last 2-3 weeks, and I always look at the shirt and I'm like, oh, it's expensive. I'm not gonna buy it. But today I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna get it. So it's really cute. I love like crop top. I think I got it from kids section. I'm not really sure. It has like Hello Kitty logo in here. I like it. And then this is how it looks like, Hello Kitty, and it's £9 from Primark. So yeah, I like it. So that's about it. I'm cooking at the moment. So yeah, that's about it for this cute, not cute, cute, quick. Okay. So that's about it for this small clip. I'm gonna add this in my whole video. So yeah, I do buy a lot of stuff. Okay, my lighting is all like on the floor kinda. That's why I look really weird. I should have been up there. But I'm gonna do my aloe gel and I'm gonna straighten my hair. This my natural hair looks really rubbish. So that's about it. I really hope you enjoyed, and I shall see you next time. I think I should do more like fashion videos, you know. Okay, I'm gonna soon do at least one fashion video. It's been long, so yeah. And that's about it. Bye. This is how it looks like, you know, behind the camera. So this is how it looks like. So if people walk by, they can actually see me film because I've got lighting directly on my face. So yeah. So guys, I went out again. I wanted to buy a bed sheet because can you see I got a duvet set, but I did not buy bed sheet last time I went shopping. So I wanted to buy a bed sheet, so I went shopping again same day, and I'm wearing same footwear, and I just changed my outfit because I just purchased and I want to try it out, and it was cold out there, so that's why. And can you see the outfit? Just ignore my messy room. I'm gonna clean that later. So look at that. What do you think of this outfit? I love it. So the thing I went to buy is this bedsheet. I hope it matches. Yeah, it does match. Okay, so yeah, this is the sheet I bought. So I'm gonna quickly set up my bed. This is how it looks like, and it was only £4 something, so really cheap. So yeah, it's a plain sheet. I don't like plains, but my duvet is already printed, so I went with the plain. And I don't even like this duvet set. I don't know why I bought. Should have not bought that because there are so nice pretty ones on TEMU and on Shein. I should have gotten from there, but I could not wait. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna buy it again. I have obsession to buy things. I'm kind of spendaholic, not shopaholic. So anyways, I need to do my hair. I can't really speak. I need to do my hair. I've got a little bit of gel, so I think I'm gonna make another video about how to put a little bit of gel on hair, maybe, I don't know. But this is how the outfit looks like. I've got a t-shirt in there because it's kind of cold out there, so I don't want it to freeze, so I wore like this. Okay, all right, I'm tired. I'm gonna drink a glass of juice, and then I'm gonna start doing my bed. Yeah, this is quick outfit. This is the aloe vera. So what I've done with the aloe vera leaf was like I cut them into small pieces so I can use some of the pieces and put the rest in the fridge. So I cut up the leaf like so, and then I cut the small blocks. I cut the small blocks open, and I scraped the juice or like gel out of that leaf, and I applied it directly on my hair. And I waited my hair to dry, and then I straightened my hair over that. So yeah, that's what I pretty much did, but I did not record all of it because I was lazy and I wanted to. It's kind of like a messy process, so yeah. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight.